The crop tool is one of the most frequently used ones in Photoshop. We use it to crop out unwanted parts of the picture. It can also be used to even out or straighten pictures and perspectives. After this tool is selected, lines will appear on all sides of the picture, framing the image. You can control the size of the photograph by cropping the edges. Marked in gray, you can see what part of the image will be cropped, and the rest will form the new composition chosen by you. Bear in mind that the shading will remain like this until you confirm your choice. Here we should mention a very important option in Photoshop CC, the Delete Cropped Pixels option. It permanently deletes the pixels you choose to crop out of the picture. I personally prefer to keep this option deactivated so that if I change my mind, later on, I could add or remove a part of the picture. Save the picture. Let's say I subsequently change my mind and want to add part of this picture back. I select the tool and I see that the rest of the image which has been cropped out is actually saved in background mode. Had the option been activated, this wouldn't have happened, and all of the pixels would have been deleted.